Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my Instagram stories, and you all will get a chance to vote which one is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Just want to remind you guys to give this video a thumbs up. And now let's talk about the products. First product I want to talk about is called Ohii. Get fresh toner pads, avocado and matcha. Ooh. Before this video, I don't even think I've ever heard of toner pads. I guess it's for those who don't want to use their hands or use a cotton. It's all in here on pads. So you could just pick it up and on your face. Pretty cool. So this one comes with 40 pads and it's 2.4 inches. Sold, I guess, by Urban Outfitters. Was in Urban Outfitters. Now it's no longer there, but if you are lucky, you can find it in a department store, kind of like Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, or Nordstrom's Rack. Anything like that. So this video is basically for those who just happen to run into it while they're shopping and they're like, what is this? What in the world? What brand is this? Where did this come from? Because that's exactly what I said to myself when I picked it up. So I decided, why not give it a try? I'm getting into skincare now. Crazy enough. And here I am trying it out. Price of it online is $60. If you could find it online, I feel like it's just safer though to find it in a department store. And it should last you around 6 months. Probably go through it like every day though, so 40 pads would be like 40 days.
Not bad.
It is free of parabens, not tested on animals, and vegan. Pretty good. It is an on-the-go toner to refresh the skin, and it is filled with botanicals and fruit extracts. Perfect for any time of the day and any skin type. Great for the morning routines and, of course, after the gym, and to possibly even revive your nighttime routine. Revive. I guess what it means if you got bored with it and you want to try something different. Which this is very different for me, so yeah, they're doing their job. It has apple fruit extract, watermelon fruit extract, lentil fruit extract, avocado, of course, fruit extract, Palmyra palmata extract, and Camellia sinensis leaf extract. Also, with all those extracts, of course, there is a fragrance. All I could tell you is, to me, it smells like a fruit punch. Because I like drinking fruit punch. Possibly more of the apple scent.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is after your routine of cleansing. Again, it's replacing your usual liquid toner. And then you want to go ahead. And now go ahead. And what you want to do is wipe outwards like this. Go downwards.
Oh, that's getting annoying.
Downwards. Along the nose. Blot. That's fine as well too. Blot away. Or you can wipe. No problem with that. And don't worry. Most of the instructions on these toners do say wipe. So you can wipe. Don't be scared. It's okay. Next one up is First Aid Beauty Blemish Patrol Pads. This one comes with 60 pads and it is 2.25 inches. This way, I guess. I guess you can't find it anymore on firstaidbeauty.com, but you can, strangely, still get it on Amazon. But another strange thing, Amazon through First Aid Beauty themselves, their company, through Amazon, with Amazon, there is only one left. So if you want to get it, get that last one, be my guest, try to get it. Over there it is $23.99. There's this other site that I've never used before, and I've heard of it, and I heard some people do use it, Poshmark.
Yeah.
They sell it there as well for $25. The expiration date is 12 months, but considering there is only 60 pads and they do recommend that you can use it 1 to 2 times a day, you might use it way faster before the 12 months, probably 60 days for me. This one is allergy tested and fragrance free, pretty good. Safe for sensitive skin as well. This product is a non-OTC, over-the-counter alternative to prevent breakouts and to also manage the oil production. It also says that it should minimize the look of your pores. Very interesting. I'll be the judge of that. I got some big pores. What it has inside, and I'm going to say the hard one first, Epilobium angustifolium flower extract, or leaf extract, or stem extract. It has slashes. Chlorantha bark extract, Salix nigra bark extract, Symphytum officinale leaf extract, Melaleuca alternifolia leaf oil. Last, salicylic acid, of course, and benzoic acid. Really gotta get those breakouts. Now when you use this one, again, as I mentioned, 1 to 2 times daily, or as needed, I would say. Go ahead and cleanse your face, and when you tone, go ahead and wipe the areas that have possibly breakouts, or if you just want to wipe the face again, that's fine as well.
All over the face.
This one I noticed, I can't really show you guys, there's that side, you see the pattern? And then the other side is a little bit more flatter. So what they say is the side that is bumpy with the pattern sticking out, that's the part you want to use to exfoliate your face. So you're taking the dead skin basically off. It says no fragrance, but I do smell a little something. I think just the probably like the salicylic acid and all those things. Well, there's a lot of extracts in there, so I mean there's got to be some kind of scent. Definitely smells medical. And then the other side, I'm just going to get down here. And then the other side, you're going to wipe the dead skin off of your face, basically cleaning everything the exfoliant side did. The exfoliate side did. Oh yeah. Nice and smooth. I could feel it. Let me take a look at the other ones, because I saw the pattern, but I didn't see if the other side was... No. Well, one side looks a little bit more bumpier, but the other side looks just as bumpy. I would say it's equal. It's the same on both sides. But this one you could definitely feel the difference. I kind of like that. Okay, that's it. We're done. Woo! Now we're going to get to the results. Yes, that's what you guys been waiting for. So this week I posted on my community whether I should do it here on YouTube, the voting, or if I should do it on Instagram still. And there was 100% saying to move it to YouTube. So I moved it to YouTube on the community tab, and nobody voted. So I moved it back to Instagram. I think you guys are just all used to it, and like I said, you could see the pictures on there, you could see the products, what you're voting for. So I moved it back to Instagram, and a lot more people voted there. It might have been too sudden, the change. So we'll see in the future. We'll see. But for now, it's on Instagram. So we're going to go ahead with the results. And boop! Woohoo! First Aid Beauty won 67%. Gotta look over here. Ohii got 33%. Boo. So sorry, Ohii. But like I said, not too many people know you. I just wanted to mention you in case you guys come across this in department stores, or maybe even like those little beauty stores. Sometimes they carry the most random items. I kid you not, that you could find anything in there. But anyways, so in case you come across this, again, it was from Urban Outfitters. They do still have a few items online, like their I think it was a lipstick. I don't know, a few makeup items from this brand. It's Ohii. If you put it into their website, urbanoutfitters.com, and search Ohii, a few things do show up that you can purchase. So check that out. It's like their own beauty line. But for now, of course, First Aid Beauty takes the lead again. Congratulations. They are the winners. You can find them anywhere. At Sephora, of course. Forgot to mention that. Did I mention Sephora? I know why I didn't mention it, because you can't find this guy over there anymore. But you can find different facial pads, different toner pads over there. I think it's kind of a blue container though now, not so much a red one. Yeah, so check them out. First Aid Beauty at Sephora. I also found this one at a department store, but technically they are supposed to be at Sephora, and of course the firstaidbeauty.com. It's great. I'm going to keep trying them because I did run low on my liquid toner, although I think I have another one somewhere. It's definitely in my drawer, I know that, but it is a sample size, so I probably shoved that down somewhere tiny. It's like this big. Probably put the big bottles in front of that. I get too many products. Anyways, so I'll look for that. But for now, I'm going to try these toner pads because it seems fun. I don't see why not.
Give it a chance, right?
Now, on how you get featured. So go ahead and tell me which product is your favorite. Let me know if you tried this one, the Blemish Patrol Pads, and tell me, did you like it? I know it's been a while since it's been out. Actually, I don't know when they took it off their shelves at Sephora, but let me know if you guys tried it and used it. Let me know if you used this Ohii brand and probably even tried this Avocado and Matcha toner pads when you had a chance to get it on the shelves, of course. Did you guys try it? Did you like it? Let me know in the comments below. And then you guys... the pads are moving inside. And then you guys get a chance to vote. And then you guys get a chance to be featured here in my video next week, of course, not this week. As for this week, we do not have any features. I did get a comment talking about, it was about hair. By the way, my last week's video is about hair shampoo. Go check it out, see which ones I talked about. It was about hair, but it was, I think the question was like, well, anyways, it was speaking about the frizz. Yeah, it was speaking about frizz. So, totally something else, not about the actual two products. So, if you want to be featured, go ahead and comment below which is your favorite on the two products in this video that you see here. Let me know. And then you could get featured, okay? Yeah. Awesome questions though. I don't mind replying to them. I definitely love chit-chatting with all of you, and it definitely seems like you love chit-chatting with me.
So let's chit-chat some more down there.
Seems a little weird.
Okay, so anyways, that's all. Thank you, everybody. See you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Yeah. I see this. I want to cut it. I definitely need a haircut again. And hopefully I'll get my hair color done. Yes, you will see blue again. Because I love the blue. Well, I love the blue-green, shall I say. It's like a turquoise kind of a color. I like it. Teal, I think they call it teal. My bad. Anyways, hopefully we'll get to that soon. I just... schedule is crazy busy right now. Yeah, hopefully I get to that. I gotta get a day off somewhere in there. Oh, you know what? No, wait. I probably will do it after my vacation. By the way, guys, totally forgot. See, this rambling, talking helps. Okay. Vacation coming later in August, so I probably won't be filming that week. Probably no Instagram video. Well, Instagram stories, of course. I'll be talking to you guys there. By the way, if you want to see me on my Instagram stories, I talk a lot more. Go ahead and follow this Instagram. Okay, so anyways, so there will be no post. I'm literally going to take a vacation because I can feel it. No posts, no makeup tutorials. I might have some TikToks because I kind of keep them stored in my phone. And then no main videos, of course, on my YouTube. I'm going to take a vacation. Just a week, maybe 2 weeks. We'll see. Speaking of phone, you can't see it. That's just my boyfriend kissing me. I don't know if you guys want to see that. That is broken. Yeah. Oh. Right here. You see that huge line? Broken. I dropped it. So sad. Okay, anyways. This video is way too long. See you guys next week. Bye.
That was like bonus content to see who keeps watching me after I say my outro. Okay, bye.